itskhamyiah. If you're new, scroll down, hit that subscribe button. If you're not new, then you already know what the heck's going on, okay, period. And as you can see by the title, today we are doing a meal prep for this week. Yeah, because my back is getting too big and we need to nip it in the bud now before I be out here looking like an Oompa Loompa.
I'm Cellulite Sally. Look at my huge badonkey. Oh, and don't forget about me. I'm back fat Betty. Now, who could have said that? Oh, yeah, it's Tina, the talking tummy.
And for some people, they'll say, like, girl, you're still skinny. Like, if to the naked eye, I still look pretty slim. But I'm 143 pounds, and I was just in the 120s. So I've gained 20 pounds very quick, and I need to lose it because I don't like it. So this is my personal decision. A lot of people, like I said, will say I'm not big or I'm still skinny, but that's not the point. I'm not happy with my body, so I want to go back to where I was. So yeah, I went to the grocery store and I'm gonna give you guys a grocery haul. I'm gonna cook with you guys. I'm gonna try to learn how to I'm gonna try to learn how to weigh out my food on the scale, so we're gonna do that too. But first, let's get into the grocery haul of what I got. I went to Walmart and my total is around $56, but I say give or take, food was like 40. I still had to get meal prep containers, cooking spray, things to wash my vegetables, so that's why it was around 50. But for a week of meals, I got for under $50, so I'm excited about that. I'm excited to start cooking. It is going to be lunchtime around the time I'm done, so one of them I am going to eat because it's Monday. And yeah, enough of me rambling. Let's get into this video and get to cooking. Okay guys, so for breakfast, I always start off with my ginger shots anyway. It's almost gone, but I use this one and it's almost gone. I just take a shot of this every morning before I eat anything. I've always done that, really, for my immune system. But yeah, I start off with this. And then for breakfast, I got these yogurt drinks. It has 23 grams of protein in it. And I'm just gonna make smoothies with that. So we're just gonna mix this with my fruit to get more full. So that's breakfast. I don't really like heavy breakfast, or I really don't like eating in the morning anyway, so I wasn't too concerned about finding like breakfast things to eat because I'm not a breakfast person anyway. If it's not this, then it'll probably be cream of wheat because I can eat some cream of wheat. So that's my breakfast. I'm just gonna give you guys a grocery haul and then I'll tell you what the meals are because that'll be easier. I got some hearts of romaine lettuce. Y'all, it took me about 5 minutes to find a good pack of lettuce because the other ones was too dirty. I got baking soda and vinegar to clean my vegetables, the lettuce and all of that. I also got it because I use this in my laundry, so I got a big one, and some more vinegar. You can buy like the fruit and vegetable wash, but that's just natural and cheaper. Okay, so I'm not completely cutting out soda yet because I'm a little addicted to Coca-Cola. I'm a little addicted to Coca-Cola, so it's gonna be hard, but I can cold turkey, is not a problem. But it's the end of December, it's Christmas season, so I feel like I can at least end the year out still drinking Coke and then just cut it off January 1st. So to transition me, I just got these ice drinks, which I used to drink them all the time actually. They just have like a little bit of a weird aftertaste. Like I feel like the zero sugar have like a sugar aftertaste. Like I don't know what it is, but it tastes like sugar. So maybe it's the artificial flavors in it, but I like these. These are only 5 calories for the whole bottle, so it's really for the fizz until I can get over the carbonation. So I got those two, which I'm gonna put one in the freezer because it's gonna be lunch by the time I'm done. I got this butter flavored cooking spray to cook my meat today. It has 0 calories. So my sister put me onto this. And then for salad dressing, because I can't, you know, eat the ranch, I probably can. I'm not gonna like cold turkey it to health. Like I have to transition, but I'm trying to start off good. So I just got zesty. Is it zesty? No, traditional Italian dressing for my salads. The vegetable this week with my other meal is Brussels sprouts. Y'all, I got 2 packs because I was like, 1 pack is not gonna be enough for 5 days. But 1 serving of Brussels sprouts is 5 pieces. I'm supposed to get full off of 5 pieces of Brussels sprout. But I'm gonna do it. And then my protein for this week is tilapia for my tilapia salad. I didn't even check to see how many pieces is in here. But yeah, I got tilapia. And then my other protein is chicken breast. We're gonna cook that up. And then I got these meal containers. The ones without compartments, just because I like those better. I'm not a person that cares if my food is touching or not. It's gonna all touch on my fork. So I just got the one without the compartments. I like those better. And it comes with 15 containers for $10. So yeah, I got a red onion, some cucumbers for the salad, also the eggs for the salad. I do have eggs, but I don't think I have that many left, so I just went ahead and bought another one. So yeah, that's all the food that I got for this week's meal prep. Now let's get into what the meal prep is. Okay, so like I told you guys, for breakfast it's most likely gonna be those smoothies or cream of wheat. I'm gonna do my 10K steps in the morning. That's my workout. If it's not that, it's an at-home workout or stretching. So that's my workout for this week to ease myself into working out, because I'm not a gym girly, okay? So we're gonna ease into that very slow. So that's for breakfast. For lunch, we're having blackened tilapia salad, the red onions, cucumber, and eggs. And then for dinner is chicken breast, brown rice, and Brussels sprouts. So I need to look up how to cook brown rice because it's very different than white rice. So we're gonna look that up and get started on the rice. I'm gonna start with the chicken breast while the tilapia thaws out. And then we're gonna clean our vegetables, get them all in the containers, get the scale out, and yeah, let's get to it.
Let me tell you about this girl, maybe I should. I met her in Philly, and her name's Brown Sugar. See, we been making love constantly, that's why my eyes are a shade blood burgundy. The way that we kiss is unlike any other way that I be kissing when I'm kissing. What I miss, won't you listen? Brown sugar, babe, I guess high off your love, I don't know how to be. Brown sugar. Close to me, you love me right down to my knees, and whenever you let me hit it, sweet like honey when it comes to me. Skin is caramel with the cocoa eyes, even got a big sister by the name of Chocolate. Brown sugar, babe, I guess high off the love, don't know how to behave. Story goes, brown sugar got me open, now I want some more. Always down for a menage a trois, but I think I'm here to solo, all my niggas don't pop. Stick out my tongue and I'm already hit this pretty bitty with persistence. Yo, I think y'all hit me. Brown sugar, babe, I guess high off of love, don't know how to behave.
Presently, I'm standing here right now. You're so familiar. Tell me what you want from me. Concentrating on my music, lover, and my babies. Let me wanna ask the lady for a ticket out of town. I just wanna take it out of town, look around, and say, look down. Oh, oh. I just wanna change the life, a chance to ride in a long ride. Oh, 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 die. I just wanna take it out of town, look around, and say, look down. Oh, oh. I just wanna change the life, a chance to ride in a long ride. I just wanna take it out of town, look around, and say, look down. Oh, oh. I just wanna change the life, a chance to ride in a long ride. Oh, 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 die.
riding dirty in the club before 11 o'clock, like I'm trying to catch it down kinda early. Looking thick, her hair brown and curly. She love the way my ride shining pearly. City boys that she fine and pretty, and the country boys that she fine and pretty. My pockets think it's green as curry, and the ladies know as soon as they see my jewelry. Being fresh to death is a crime. I think it's time for me to see the jury. As they on the grind, so like me, it's hard to find.
it. It was actually kind of fun, actually. Yeah, so I'm about to eat my lunch now because I'm starving. It is 2:18. I'm gonna eat one of my salads, and my iced drink has been chilling in the freezer. So thank you guys for watching this video with me. If you want to see more meal preps, I would try to do those for you guys. It'll help me stay on track, honestly. But thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one.